Hey everybody!
Hey guys!
So we are so excited to present to you one of our most favorite dishes of all time.
It is off the charts delicious.
It's our
Pan-fried pork cutlets with peaches!
So we start with super tasty pork tenderloin cutlets.
Oh, pan-fried until golden and crispy.
Now bring on the fresh peaches, baby.
This sauce is unbelievable.
I know, and it's on the table in about 30 minutes.
I want some now.
So welcome back to How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My winner pork dinner.
Oh, all right. I'll take it. Let's go with it.
Pork, you guys. This is such a winner. I'm
It is
telling
good.
you. It is
good.
Hands down. I think this may have moved up to like our favorite of all time.
Definitely.
We've been doing a variation of this in many years, and it's always been good. And we made a few tweaks that we kind of discovered just recently. And
yes, and they've got these delicious peaches.
you guys are gonna love making this. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. So let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
So it all starts off with nice, ripe peaches.
We're going to carefully add them to a pot of boiling water.
This makes removing the skin a snap.
After only 30 seconds, fish out those peaches.
Place in an ice bath to stop the cooking, and then just pull away the loosened skin.
Easy peachy.
Now, we're dealing with clingstone peaches.
So we're going to use a paring knife to cut slices away from the stone.
Peach perfection. Oh,
Yes.
peaches.
These, look at, oh, I love
Gorgeous.
the color. The
Fabulous.
color's amazing.
I know. Now,
Yeah.
let's talk pork, shall we?
Let's
get porky. So
it is pork and peaches.
That's right. So we've got a pound and a half of just a pork loin. I love pork loin. It's so tender and so flavorful.
Oh, I
you could
know.
do this with pork chops, but just cut yourself. That's like probably about almost an inch thick there. I'm going to cut a couple of these. Be careful as you're
Yes.
cutting through. Okay, now what we're going to do, I'm just going to cut to the chase here. And what I like to do, now you see those are small little medallions. So we want to get these nice.
This is what I love, and this is what makes this dish really special.
Yeah, you want to go thin with these. So I just put these in a little plastic baggie. I get the side of my mallet and then just pound them out to about, I don't know, a ½ inch to a quarter inch. Get them nice and thin. It's kind of reminiscent, we've talked about this, to chicken piccata.
Yes, totally.
You know, you're going to see more of that as we're doing this.
Yes, exactly. And these peaches, though, let me tell you about these peaches. So we've got this great place out in East Texas called Ham Orchard that we went to the other day and got all these amazing peaches. And of course, we used them all up for our peach crisp.
Yes.
Oh, that peach crisp.
It's so good.
Oh,
it's so
yes.
fabulous.
Anyway, now.
So now I need you to, so my hands are dirty, so if you could salt and
I'm
pepper
gonna
these.
salt and pepper.
Go ahead and do it.
Yes, I'm doing it.
I gotta rush him along. Okay.
You always do.
I know.
You know, I like to be a
You're
little
very thorough. I know.
dainty.
Okay. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we are going to dredge. This is so simple. We're going to dredge this in a little flour. We're working as a team here, so we can keep the loons clean fingers for the loon. And then we're just going to shake the excess off, and we're going to do it with this one. And depending on how many people you're feeding, we normally would do this whole cutlet, but it's just the two of us, so we're only going to do a few more, and then we're going to get those babies crispy and golden.
Yes!
Once all the cutlets have been seasoned and lightly floured,
It's time to crisp them up.
yeah, so add a couple of tablespoons of oil to a large skillet over medium heat.
Add the beautiful cutlets into the oil for just a few minutes.
Now use a spatula or tongs to scooch them around a little bit so they won't stick.
I love scooching.
Me too. Once nice and golden on the bottom,
Flip them over and cook for another few minutes.
transfer these gorgeous cutlets to a platter and set aside.
Delicious.
Oh my gosh.
So we've got our peaches, we've got our crispy, delicious pork.
And ladies and gentlemen, it is time to bring it on
Yes,
home.
let's do it.
Let's do it. Okay, so now we've got our skillet here. I'm going to turn
Nice
this down
and
because
hot.
it's hot, smoke a little bit. So what you want to do after you remove those cutlets, you may feel like you have a little excess oil. Just tilt the skillet sideways.
Just
and
take a
drink.
little bit out.
You want to have about a about a tablespoon. Okay, I have got
Let's
a
do
quarter cup of sherry here.
Yes.
We are going to add that to the pan.
We are deglazing.
We are deglazing, folks, and what that does. So all of these
I think we
beautiful.
all should deglaze.
Let's
every once in
deglaze.
a while.
I need to decompress when I deglaze. Anyway, so there's what is happening. All those beautiful little nuggets of flavor that stuck to the pan
Yes.
We're doing these cutlets.
Yes.
They are now coming free, and they're cooking in that sherry. It is just
so
amazing.
good.
So it doesn't take long for this to kind of cook down and just become absolutely incredible. Now we're going to add some of what we think is just knockout flavor enhancements. We've got, this is about a half a cup of chopped scallions that we've added, and we've got another half a cup of capers.
Yes, the capers. The capers are what give it that just delicious, like peppery taste.
Briny. And it's similar to like
peppery and salt, all that wonderful
salty.
salty.
That's where we get the kind of reminiscent a little bit of like the chicken piccata.
Yeah,
it's just the smell. The smell. We're like, okay, I'm dizzy. I'm so.
I love it.
Okay, now we've got a half a cup. Actually, I'm going to do 3/4 of a cup of good old quality chicken stock.
Perfect.
You can use, if you're making a large amount of this, if you're doubling this, then you can go with more chicken stock. This is just gonna turn into this incredible sauce.
Yes.
Now, it's time to add the peaches.
Oh, yeah.
It's almost dinner time, ladies and gentlemen.
Just let that sauce simmer for about 10 minutes.
Until just starting to thicken.
Oh, I can't take it any longer.
Hold on, we're getting to the best part.
The pork.
Now stir in a little salt and pepper and then gently nestle the crisp pork cutlets into the sauce and then cook for just a couple minutes until warmed through.
OMG.
Oh gosh, I mean this is...
That's glorious. That is glorious. Look at the colors.
It is
amazing.
Just beautiful, and the smell, ladies and gentlemen.
All right.
I'm bringing this over to you.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a close-up of that. Okay. Yes.
I'm gonna give you another one, just because you deserve it.
Right on top of that.
Well,
okay. Here we go. I'm gonna play with my food. Now, a little more of that sauce, please.
Yes, sauce, please. Okay. I just had a moment.
I'm just gonna sit here and look at that.
No, you're not.
Yay!
I know you.
That is so gorgeous, y'all. Okay, well, he's spooning himself up. I'm gonna get myself a little bit. Okay. And I gotta get a little bit of everything on there. Oh yes. I can't ever get slippery peaches.
It's our favorite, right? Is it our favorite? I know. It's transcendent.
Wow.
Now get a peach.
Yeah.
Speechless, which never happens.
Okay. Y'all, that pork is so perfect. Crispy, delicious. But the peaches and the pork and all together, and then with the capers, it's like this
magical.
Yes, it's a cacophony of deliciousness, and it's 1,000% Loon approved.
Yes, it better be. Oh my gosh, I'm going.
A cacophony of deliciousness.
That's a good way of saying it. It's screaming tastiness.
Oh wow!
All right, I'm going in. Okay.
Yeah.
The pork is so perfectly cooked. It's just amazing. When it's simmering on the stove, the smell is just, it makes me scream hallelujah.
I know, hallelujah.
Oh, baby.
This is so good.
You know, another one of my favorite, I gotta say, we're all on our peach and pork thing lately. I love my peach crisp. Make the peach crisp.
Oh yes, or how about that other, your country style pork ribs.
Oh my God.
Forget about it.
All right, y'all.
Yay,
we love you. We hope you make this.
Totally, and get these on howtofeedaloon.com. Bye. Pork and peaches, never hurt anybody.